Hey, what's up, you guys? This little update, man. This is just for me, really. See, my video's not on. See if my video come on. Yeah, y'all can tell I'm not getting the video clip. Anyway, it's cool with my voice. Anyway, so look, when we talking about the strategy, it's good that we get to see this because this is what can feel negative about the strategy, but it's not negative. You just have to understand because look, our funds. First of all, we started where we started. Now we at 866. We wanted to finish at 875 yesterday, but we under. That's fine. If you look right here on this pair, the NZD, the Swiss franc, and the USD. First of all, I should have never jumped in with them. They're just so volatile. And plus, look, the spread is always over to that, and also when you buy, the margin is like 42. You know what I'm saying? That's just too much to be buying on margins over and over again. So I shouldn't have jumped in the pair, but I did, and the strategy still works, which is what we're trying to prove. It took this big dip. I bought it down, so I have 8 lots in it at a profit loss at a loss of $47 at 8 lots. So basically, the only way that I could actually lose this is if it drops like 500, 600 pips at 8 cents. So you look at the history and see if it's ever happened before. So right here at 22, it would take, there's a 22, it's 200, 300, 400, 500. It would have to drop all the way to here for me to even be concerned. And if it did go that far, all I have to do, because I have 250 a margin set up in other trades. So I could just slowly close these trades and walk it all the way down. But what we're not going to do is close out the trade because there's no need to. Um, if you look up at the history one more time, let's go back like some weeks, like some years actually. All we are is right here. This right here is a major cross point. If I take it weekly all the way, what? This is all the way 2017. It was here in 2018. It took this drop all these years and it's just now paying off. So if you think about it, this is just now paying off people that have been bought in since 2018. And that's a crazy thought. But we also have to remember, and I know it sounds crazy, these people right here are going to have to get paid off. Hopefully they pay themselves off over here, but you can't be offended with this drop. What we have to do is to continue to walk it down because even as it falls, it's going to reach back up as it falls. So I got to stay close. Hopefully, this is just another candle. It's the same size as this candle for real. So it's got to come back up. And when it does, I'll sell it. You know what I'm saying? But it's no pressure. I think this is the part of the strategy where people are like, oh my goodness, like, but there's no reason to fret right here. There's no reason to be frustrated. First of all, we started off with 300. The strategies work beautifully. Let's look at our history. So this is my 24-hour history, but let's look at some stats. So we see what's been going on with me. I like because on the dashboard they got a thing here, your trade analytics. All right, so for the past 30 days, this is when we first started. When I made the remember I made a mistake. I hit sell instead of buy right here, and I made a mistake. I lost $33. The last time I made a mistake, what, 3 weeks ago. All right, but since then, here we go. We're on our returns every day. We on the up. You know what I'm saying? With the strategy, slowly but surely. I know there's Tuesdays and Sundays on my off day, or the slow days. Sundays especially. That's expected. I gotta a decent return rate, profit loss ratio. And this don't really matter as much because we do a lot of small scalps. So like we pulling off little trades. This is a nice number. I try to keep this number above 75% because really the only trades that we're closing that aren't in profit are the ones that are part of a large lot. So if you got a lot of 5 cents and you trade for a profit, 2 of those cents were out of profit. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So when we do actually lose, it's going to be a little bit more than the average profit. Because the profits, man, we might take 25 cents at any time. You know, worst market there, it's in the stats. I shouldn't have taken the trade. But I'm going to keep fooling with them because I make money with them too. All right, so here's our information on the total return. It's pretty clear which markets are good to me. And also, I had a couple questions about, why we don't do gold, why we don't do Bitcoin, stuff like that, because we just don't have the budget to do it. If we're going to run this strategy, this is a small money strategy. This isn't for anybody that, is trying to make a lot of money. You're supposed to take this, get your status up to about $1,500, $2,000, and then apply the aggressive strategies. But this right here isn't for aggression. This is just for steady, easy build. Same strategy we worked for. So I guess I was just trying to, come on because the question was kind of like, what do you do when you get in these scary situations? And it's just looking like, hey, what's going on? But this number was at 100 earlier, and it don't take number a second for it to pop up. Let's look at some of the other positions. I'm walking this one down. USDJPY. Look, it was right here when I had a sale in. Oh, you know what? I had a sale in like right. It was like right in here, and then that thing took off, and I been buying it down. So here it comes. It's gonna come down to me, no doubt. Um, I've been in the yen markets. I like yen markets. They funny acting. They got a lot of wigs. They do what they want to do, but they're very inexpensive, man. Like right here, I got 5 cent lots. My margin is nothing. If I wanted to buy some more lots, let's say I want to do some more lots, it's like $7.08. Like what I'm saying, for one lot, I could buy another 5, and still that's just like $40 margin. That's the same thing I pay for one lot of like um Swiss or actually anything foreign like Euro GBP. Look at this. If I want to buy one, let's say I want to buy one lot of that, that's $34 for 1 cent lot. So it would just make more sense for me to excuse me, to do these lots. But I guess I would they just more weird. Like look how little their wicks are. These are 1 hour wicks. You probably move in here what 784. So you got a little like 20 cent pip movements, 30 cent pip movements. Even in consolidation, it's ridiculous. But even when it breaks out, let's take a big pip. 715. So there, yeah, you talking about 50 or 60 pip movements in an hour on a big breakout in these yen markets. Real slow, but it's fun. I mean, it's not dangerous. It's not going to take off on you. The margin ratio is low. I think I'm gonna put in another sale just for fun. Let's do I got 5 in. So if I do another 5, it's gonna take me about halfway right here. Why not? Oh, sell. Remember, we want to be careful about our directions. Make sure when you hit it, you look at the resulting position. See, I'm gonna need it not to move up if it does though. But see, it's also on the downtrend. I'm just kind of seeing what it's gonna do here if I just look at this drawing real quick. Well, actually, it's evening out. It's, we got to see what this is gonna do here. Cause you got this trend going here, but it's over that line. So if it comes down, if it bounces off this line, it could really take off. But I'm gonna take that 5 cents because it's inexpensive and it's a cool play. So I got the line moved all the way up. Hopefully I can just get a nice little dip sooner or later. Even if it bounces off, it'll come back. Look at another position I took. Another one of those quick markets. It's just bought right here, some consolidation. So, when it comes back, for here, I'll just go ahead and set a look. I got to take profit right here just in case it drops quick. USD CAD, once again, caught it down here. It was working through this. Right here, they got me. So this is what we're talking about. Working in confluence. I was making a lot of money in these areas, like boom, 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 a dollar here, a dollar there. Then I messed around and set my key entry point line here. It dipped below it, came back, dropped again. I thought I just knew I was good here, so I bought right here. Hit me the deal. I should have sold it. Bam, skated on. That's how it works. I saw it coming. Boom. But I bought my way up here. Matter of fact, I'm in a good position. And another thing that's sad, I'm in a sale. I wrote a note to myself to buy. And I didn't listen to myself. So that, sometimes we go spread them out. I probably bought, like I bought, sold, bought, sold. I bought and sold it all the way up all day yesterday. I was having fun with this. Took off on me. No problem. I only had 3 lots in. That's another good thing. I've been driving it slow. There's only 3 lots. It's not hurting me. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add a lot. Sell. Spend another 20. We'll watch it move here. Boom. And I'll just catch that when it comes back down. All right. The USD Swiss. I shouldn't even be in this trade either. But like I said with the strategy, man, I'm not a fearful of anything. It's not gonna hurt me. And with this one, I only bought 2 lots. So like, this is a big jump, but it's on the way back down. I could probably afford to buy another lot, but it costs 30 a pop, and I really kind of need to see what this gonna do here. Oh yeah, man, I got plenty of space. Plenty of space. So I'm in good shape. Just waiting on the reversals to come so I can peel them off. I need to be at 700 by the end of the day if possible. But I'll take 880. 880 won't hurt me. I need to be at 1,000 by the end of the month to stay within our goal set. But, you know, 500, 556. Well, actually, we start with 350. So about 500 in 4 weeks isn't bad. It isn't bad. I wish I could make it 3 weeks. I think the next time I do the challenge, I'm going to start off with 2 cent lots and like stay with like these 1 cent lots. Just kind of, I think I can get away with it. And plus, like, none of the information, none of the stuff I'm doing is for sale or anything. So, like, I ain't had to answer a call though. Once again, it's another great thing about not really having nobody watching. Cool. So it's pretty much, what it is. I was thinking about. I mean, I see some cats that just keep their stuff up all day. But since I'm running it from here, I'm not running through charts. I'm running through the system. But my kids getting up, so y'all ain't want to hear all that. But I'll keep you updated, man. I'm looking for this 8 cent line. I'm not gonna spend again unless it takes another dump. I can't. Hey. Today's Veterans Day. The kids ain't singing Happy Veterans Day to you. I'm good. Don't nobody be on these for real. Yeah. My YouTube live. Nobody goes to my YouTube live. You still live? Ain't nobody on. Matter of fact, let me just mute it. That's cool. I think I'm. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh, matter of fact, I'm not getting any audio input. Hey, it was muted. So you were talking to yourself? Yeah, which is what I needed. I need to get a box out of the garage.